hydrogen therapy. And today I have with me Valerie Robitaille, who is a holistic nutritionist holding a MS in human nutrition and a PhD in community health, education, and promotion. Hello, Val.
Hi, Tivon. Thank you for having me.
And so, can you tell us a little bit about stem cells, wound healing, and how can hydrogen therapy help?
Yes, sure. Well, here I am referencing an article that we have for people to download called Effect of Electrolyzed Water on Wound Healing. But I'd like to tell you about stem cells and what they do. They really are the creator's most brilliant creation as far as I can tell. So stem cells are non-specialized cells. So for example, we have liver cells, we have heart cells, we have brain cells. We have all different types of cells in the body doing specific functions to keep that organ going and functioning.
Right.
Stem cells are like a blank slate. They can turn into anything when given the right conditions.
That's really fascinating.
Right.
So they're literally a blank slate, and at some point they can turn into different cells.
A liver cell, a brain cell, yes, under the right conditions. So stem cell regeneration is very, very important, and that's exactly what the hydrogen machine can do for us. It not only helps us to regenerate the stem cells that we have. You could do your own stem cell therapy at home.
Wow.
With the machine. People are going in for stem cell therapy. They pay hundreds of thousands of dollars, but over time this machine helps you to regenerate your stem cells, making them more effective. So the way that the hydrogen affects the stem cells is it offers the body a high quantity of those plasma electrons that we talk about with the electrically expanded water.
I see.
Right? So this provides the basic building block for stem cell regeneration.
Well, that's very fascinating because this machine creates electrically expanded water. Not all hydrogen generating machines do that. It's because it keeps that plasma state that still goes through the tube in gaseous form. So it just turns out that electrically expanded water, that electrical plasma, is what is used for stem cell regeneration.
And you're getting, with that plasma form, you're getting more energy into the body, you're getting more electrons. And that's what this machine does that other machines may not do. I mean, maybe by now there's other things out there, but...
So other than this, previously it was thought the only way to get more stem cells would be to go through some kind of procedure?
As an adult, yes. Now, stem cells can be found in various parts of the body. In embryology, if you think of a fetus and the development of a fetus, and you watch the way it grows, first it creates a spine, and then you see the heart beating, and different organs are formed. That is all stem cell activation in the fetus. But there's also stem cell activation in an adult.
I see.
There's a field, there's a scientific field now, medical field, called regenerative medicine. Okay. Where they are taking stem cells from different parts of the body, using them in order to heal any tissue-related condition. These procedures rely on transplantation. You've heard of bone marrow transplantation. That's one of the areas that there are stem cells. So science, the regenerative medicine science, is looking for stem cells in other places to be able to create it in the lab.
I see.
But you could do your own stem cell therapy at home with the AquaCure machine.
That's fascinating, and it's non-invasive, right? Because you're just breathing in the gas or drinking the hydrogenated water for that benefit.
Stem cells can be obtained from several sources, such as umbilical cord blood and amniotic fluid from a healthy baby delivery, adipose tissue, and bone marrow. And research is underway to develop varying sources for stem cells in a lab because they can be used to treat many diseases, including neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's that we talked about, and conditions such as diabetes and heart disease. And although you won't hear much about this in the mainstream news cycle, we have testimonials of people healing tumors, melanomas, and other cancerous conditions. And it's a lot has to do with the stem cell regeneration ability of hydrogen. So stem cells are the master cells of your body that continuously regenerate to produce other specialized cells. They are like blank slates, or the raw materials from which come all other cells in the body. They don't have a specialized job in themselves, but they can become any type of cell. In the body or in a lab, these master cells divide into other cells called daughter cells. And the daughter cells are the cells that become specialized. They either become specialized or they self-renew to make more stem cells in the body. And in the developing fetus, the stem cells within the umbilical cord and amniotic fluid are responsible for the developing fetus's differentiation and growth. In the adult body, stem cells are used for repair. And that's where wound healing comes in, because the stem cells, anywhere that you have a wound, whether it's on the surface of the skin or in the body, anywhere there is a wound, stem cells are involved in healing that wound.
Didn't know that.
You want more stem cells. You want to keep regenerating your stem cells, and that's what hydrogen does.
Wow, that is amazing.
One of the most remarkable features of stem cells is their ability to survey a wound and communicate with other cells and systems the extent of the damage. Then the stem cells release specific chemicals called signaling molecules, and here again we have the cell signaling mechanism of the body for what is needed at the site of healing. Put that same stem cell into another area and it will activate different cell signaling chemicals or signaling molecules. So you can think of stem cells as going to a drugstore, right? And if you have a cough, you might buy cough medicine. If you have a headache, you might buy headache medicine. If you have a stem cell and you have a cut, it's going to tell the body it's going to signal, make certain chemicals that's going to heal the cut. Or if you have a bruise on an organ, it's going to signal different molecules to go and heal that. It's like a drugstore. It's really a magnificent thing.
It is.
If you're not getting enough hydrogen, the body starts to shut down as a way to preserve energy and life. And as your hydrogen levels start to increase, everything starts to regenerate, including your stem cells.
I see. So it's truly at the cellular level when you're inhaling the hydrogen gas, or if you're drinking the hydrogenated water, it gives your body the hydrogen and energy it needs to regenerate your stem cells.
Yes, and this process may take several weeks, several months, but the important thing is to be using the hydrogen for a period of time.
Yes.
Because these scientific studies show us exactly what hydrogen does. And now there are thousands of these studies. This has been going on, the experimentation has been going on for at least 2 decades now, and they're starting to come out, and more people are getting this information.
Well, and it's also the treatment, hydrogen treatment has become more and more commonplace as well. At least half the planet it seems to be using it.
So remember, hydrogen is the building block of life. And because of its size and its charge, is able to penetrate the entire body. And now that we know a little bit more about stem cells, we understand that that is the main function of healing, regeneration of the body. And we're going to talk a little bit about anti-aging in another video that you can see right up here. Yeah, good stuff.
That's fantastic.